Ever wondered which airplanes help pilots take to the skies for the very first time? Whether you're an aspiring pilot or just an aviation enthusiast, today we're counting down the top 5 best training airplanes and what makes them so great. Buckle up, and let's get started. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the Diamond DA40. This sleek, modern training aircraft is a favorite among flight schools for one big reason: safety. The DA40's forgiving flight characteristics and advanced safety features make it a fantastic choice for beginners. Made of composite materials, it's lightweight yet durable. Equipped with glass cockpit avionics, it gives student pilots a high-tech experience, plus its fuel-efficient diesel engine saves costs for training flights. At number 4, we have the legendary Piper PA-28 Cherokee. This aircraft has been training pilots since the 1960s and is still a go-to choice for flight schools worldwide. Its sturdy build and easy handling make the PA-28 an excellent aircraft for beginners to practice landings and maneuvers. The simple, low-wing design ensures stable handling. With its fixed landing gear, maintenance and complexity are significantly reduced, plus it comes in various models like the Warrior, Archer and Arrow. Now, let's talk about luxury training aircraft. At number 3, we have the Cirrus SR20, the go-to plane for flight academies looking for modern training solutions. Training in an SR-20 is like stepping into the future of aviation, preparing pilots for high-tech commercial cockpits. The full-glass cockpit is similar to those found in commercial jets. The Cirrus Airframe Parachute System, or CAPS, adds an extra layer of safety, and the side stick control instead of a yoke gives it a modern touch. Coming in at number 2, the Cessna 152. This is one of the most iconic training airplanes of all time. If you ask an experienced pilot what they trained in, chances are they'll say, Cessna 152. Many pilots have taken their first solo flight in a Cessna 152, making it a timeless classic in aviation training. Super easy to fly, making it perfect for first-time pilots. Affordable to operate, thanks to its small engine. High wing design for better visibility and stability. And at the number 1 spot, the Cessna 172 Skyhawk, the most widely used and trusted training aircraft in the world. With over 44,000 units built, the Cessna 172 has been the top choice for flight schools for decades. It's reliable, easy to fly, and perfect for learning everything from takeoffs to cross-country navigation. Extremely stable and forgiving flight characteristics. Modern avionics options including the Garmin G1000. Proven reliability, making it the most popular trainer worldwide. So there you have it, the top 5 best training airplanes for aspiring pilots. Which one would you want to learn to fly in? Drop a comment below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more